Okay, guys, it's time for another surprise. Good job. So, Zuli's just chosen a prize for McKenna.
Finger.
Finger. Okay. For McKenna Wright. And what does Tabitha get, Rocket?
Bead comber.
Bead comber.
No, second time.
Oh, second purchase.
Rainbow.
Really? Is that a rainbow? Let's see. Is that a rainbow? It's a sticker. DIYmoon shop sticker for Kristen.
Rainbow.
If you'd like to send us a message, you can do that via email at DIYmoonshop@gmail.com. You can also send us a message on Facebook. It's at DIYmoon Shop on Facebook. And oh. And we're getting a special silent performance. Oh, that was so short and sweet. Just like the deliverer. Okay. We also have an Instagram account, so if you'd like to go and check us out, it's at Shop DIYmoon. Alright, I think that's about it for today. You guys want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Maybe we'll show you guys a clip of their duet. They performed it for us during these times of lockdown. We'll show you guys a clip. In the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy, try to get some exercise, enjoy life, try not to argue with the people you live in the household, and as much as possible, think positive and be happy. See you next time, guys. Here, check out this video.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a visual light. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why you gotta go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger was it one? Just like the finger on my right. The tender for you.
Yay! Thank you, guys.